Welcome, my dear students. Our session today is about the area of a circle. We want to learn how to calculate the area of a circle. Let's start with revising some concepts about the circle we studied before in primary 5. We said before that the circle is a closed curve. It consists of infinite number of points which are equidistant from a constant point, which is the center of the circle. It means any point on the circle, on this curve, is equidistant from the center. Okay. Also, we studied the radius. The radius is line segment. The start point of this line segment is the center of the circle. For example, here M. And the end point is any point on this circle. So here, for example, MA is a radius. We denote it by R. So R is a radius of the circle. Also, we studied the chord. We said the chord is also a line segment, but it joins 2 points on the circle. Okay, the start and end point of this line segment are points on the circle. And sometimes here, for example, we have a chord. Also, this is a chord. Sometimes the chord passes through the center of the circle. In this case, this chord is called diameter. So the diameter is a chord joined or a chord passes through the center of the circle. Okay. So also we said before in primary 5 that the diameter is the longest chord in the circle. Okay. The diameter is double the radius. So D equal 2 times R. R is the radius and D is the diameter. And vice versa, R equal D over 2, or diameter divided by 2. Okay. Also, we studied the circumference of the circle. We said that the circumference of the circle equal 2 times pi times R, where pi equal 22 over 7 or 3.14. Pi is the ratio between the circumference and the diameter of any circle. Okay. What about the area? How can we calculate the area of the circle? To calculate the area of the circle, just multiply pi times R times R, or pi times R power 2. R is the radius and pi, we said before, 22 over 7 or 3.14, according to what is given in the problem. Okay, so let's make two triangles for area and circumference. The area, as we said, equal pi times R power 2, and the circumference is 2 pi times R. Okay, don't forget the area pi R power 2 and circumference 2 pi R or pi D. The unit of circumference is centimeter or meter, a unit of length. The unit of area is, of course, squared unit, like meter squared, centimeter squared, or whatever. Okay, let's take some examples to clarify the area and circumference. The first exercise here, calculate the area of a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Here we have a radius, so we can calculate the area. We said before, the area equal pi times R power 2. Okay, pi times R power 2. R here is 3. So I'll use 3 to the power 2. It means 3 times 3, which is 9. Pi, 22 over 7. So the area will be 22 over 7 times 3 power 2, which is 9. The result will be approximately 28 centimeter squared. Don't forget the unit, centimeter squared, because we are calculating the area. Okay. Another exercise. The circumference of a circle is 21.98 centimeter. Find its area, where pi equal 3.14. So I'll use pi in this exercise. Pi will be 3.14. Okay, I have the circumference. I want the area. To calculate the area, you just need the radius. How can we calculate the radius? Okay, let's think. The circumference means pi times diameter. So now if I divide the circumference over diameter, the circumference over pi, I'll get the diameter. Again, we said before, the circumference equal pi d. It means pi times diameter. I want the diameter, so just divide the circumference divided by 3.14. So diameter means circumference over pi. So I'll divide 21.98 by 3.14. The result will be 7 centimeters. This is the diameter, not the radius. So just divide the diameter by 2. We said before the radius is half the diameter. So the radius will be 7 divided by 2. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. Okay, now we have the radius. Then I can calculate the area. Pi r power 2. Pi is 3.14 times 3.5 power 2. Don't forget power 2 equal approximately 38.465 centimeters squared. Okay, so today we studied how to calculate the area and the circumference of a circle. I hope you have understood our session today. Next session we will discuss the lateral total area of the cube. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.